The Autograph Series 4 is out and I'm going to show you what to expect from its exterior features. Now it's based on a Peugeot cab, 180 horsepower Peugeot cab, and it has everything you'd expect, such as heated and electrically adjustable mirrors. Now it has a graphite black cab, and that black theme continues with these lovely diamond cut wheels and also that 2-lay wind out awning that comes as standard. But let's go through and look at the other external features. So each Series 4 model has stylish new graphics, and it also has all the essentials that you need on the awning side, such as a barbecue point and a 230-volt socket and TV point. Now each model also has a generous sized garage that you can access either end, but before we take a look in there, let's just discuss weights. Now 3 of the 4 models come as standard on a 4,500 kilo chassis, which gives you an enormous amount of payload. But it's also worth noting that the 722, which is based on a 3,500 kilo chassis, is upgradable to 4,500, which will give you a simply enormous amount of payload. Now let's look in the garage. So the garage isn't just roomy, it's well spec'd too. So we have things like a 230-volt socket, 12-volt socket, and an Alde radiator in there. So for example, if you want to keep a dog crate in there, everyone will be warm and toasty. The floor is rubberized, plenty of lashing down points. There's also drainage points too, because some models have a drop down flap. So for example, you can hang a wetsuit in here and it will drain safely through that point. Now, if you don't want to keep push bikes in the garage, we're going to move to the rear. Each Autograph Series 4 model comes equipped with the mounting kit for a bike rack, but it's worth noting the bike rack itself is an optional extra that's available from your friendly local dealer or from Prima Leisure. And finally at the back, we have a high-level brake light and an HD reversing camera. Bailey have really thought about how people want to use a moto, with off-grid capabilities being at the forefront. So this is fitted with a 200-watt Truma flexible solar panel and 2 95 amp hour AGM batteries.